Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to collaborate with your team by using messages and files inside Birdview. To get started, go to the Activity Center, or My Assignments, and open the Details panel of any project or activity. Scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the Message and File icons. This is where you can review past conversations along with their authors and timestamps. You can also post updates, share files, or request approvals. To post a message, simply click inside the message box. If you want to mention a team member, type @ and select their name from the pop-up list. Then, type your message and click Send. Once you've posted your message, you'll see it listed in the Message tab. You can also attach a file or document here. To do that, you simply click on the Attach icon below the message box and upload your file. Find your file and click Open. Once you've attached the file, click Send to share it. You can also drag and drop a file directly from your browser by dropping it into the message area when you see the circular Drop Files Here prompt. If you need a supervisor's approval, the process is just as simple. Start by clicking in the message box and typing your message. Then, click Request Approval and choose the person you want to approve from the list. After that, just hit Send and the request will be sent. And that's it! For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos.